So I'm at CVS and I am looking up acetaminophen. Now we have the name brand Tylenol extra strength capsules at $6.29, which is 26.2 cents each. And down here we have the ingredient list, which is the active ingredient is acetaminophen 500 milligrams, and the inactive ingredients, which are carnauba wax, cornstarch, red number 45, and so on, as you can see here. And I'm going to go back and we'll find a more generic option, such as the CVS brand, which is store brand, which is $4.99 for the box, or 20.8 cents each compared to the 26.2 cents each here. And the active ingredient here is 500 milligrams of acetaminophen as well, compared to the same amount that was found in the Tylenol. We have the inactive ingredients here. Some of them are similar to the ones that were found in the Tylenol, such as the carnauba wax and the hypromellose. Those are the same. Okay. Oh, these ones don't have a generic. So this is a list of medications that are losing their patents or lost their patents in 2020. Truvada, Chantix, Afinitor. So I picked Risperidone Consta, which is used for schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. That is the name brand version prior to its patent loss. And down here, Indivior has been created a generic version of the similar drug called Perseris that is also utilized in order to treat schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. So the generic is called Risperidone, as compared to the Risperidone Consta, which was the name brand that lost its patent in 2020. Okay. And now we are going to find the definition of pharmacology as written by our textbook. Go to Stedman's. Pharmacology. The definition of pharmacology is the science concerned with drugs and their sources, appearance, chemistry, actions, and uses. as seen here. Now let me go to Canvas. Use this link to select a drug, and I am going to select Dilantin. I'm going to go to Module 1, complete Module 1, Active Learning Guides, and the Medication Information Worksheet. And this I will be going through and filling out with the Dilantin that I selected. And for COVID information, I'm at this website, and I will also be utilizing this paper in order to answer all of the questions in relation to the COVID vaccine. Now I am in Chapter 2. I'm going to do 5 questions. I'm going to go to the book. Go to page 23. Here we go. Drugs that are highly lipid soluble cross the blood-brain barrier. So I'm going to highlight and put it in the notebook. Add note.